Ratnagiri Jets take on the power-packed Puneri Bappa.
Puneri Bappa's captain Ruturaj Gaikwad has won the toss. After winning the toss, he is elected to bat first. Let's have a look at both the teams. Match number 11, Ratnagiri Jets. Azim Kazi, Dheeraj Patangare, Divyang Hingnekar, Nikhil Naik. Puneri Bappa have made 2 changes. Of course, led by Ruturaj Gaikwad, Pawan Shah, Neil Gandhi, Yash Sagar, Suraj Shinde. और आज डेब्यू कर रहे हैं नील गांधी. दिव्यांग हिंगणेकर has been very good in the power play with his left arm medium pace. Let's begin. First ball coming up. Pawan Shah gets
बैट बॉल, खराब गेंद. इसके ऊपर तो लिखा डाउट अबाउट दैट. लवली शॉट. Room outside the off stump. You got to wait for these. You got to. But this is a good partnership. 27 runs partnership in 18 balls. Good use of the feet. Good use of the wrist. New where. The batting team wouldn't mind whichever way they come. And I don't think the bowler should also.
take the outside edge. Oh, what a catch! There goes the flying knight. He is like a knight there.
32 रन बनाए और 42 पर 1 और आगे आते हैं. ये हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर बिल्कुल अच्छा टाइम किया है. चौका मिलेगा, पहला चौका नील गांधी का. पहली मैच में वो लोग दबाव में है और ये अच्छा टाइमिंग. वेरिएशन काफी बढ़िया करते हैं. हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर और ये आउट हो सकते हैं नील गांधी. और मुझे लगा था ये बड़ा शॉट
for the young Neil Gandhi. Tossed up, inviting that shot. Always a matchup. The left arm spinner versus the left hander. And there he goes. Satyajit Bachao says, I am 7 runs, 18 balls, 48 for 2 Puneri. Ala Ruturaj Gaikwad ala. 303 runs in his MPL career. Strike rate of 175. With a slip in place. Oh, that sudden bounce surprised Shirsagar.
आखिरी गेंद है.
Go to the next side and that will be the big one. But that was the big one by Ruturaj.
बढ़िया कलाइयों का उपयोग किया उन्होंने और दिशा दिखा दी. सिर्फ यहाँ पर बहुत ही.
Ruturaj on strike now. Walks down the wicket. Brilliant batting once again. He knows the field. The catch where Neil Gandhi got out, and then it has been the Ruturaj Gaikwad show. Once again, right on the edge of the 30-yard circle, taking the first run hard, making that second possible, but...
And crease के बाहर जरूर थे वहाँ. An unfortunate incident where the bat got stuck. Ruturaj Gaikwad departs for 29, 91.
Is that he has played his 4th best of 24. Now is the real challenge. They need to build a partnership. An appeal, a loud appeal, and given out. A golden duck here for Suraj Shinde. This is
Hold by Chan. Suraj Shinde goes out for 0, 91 for 4.
bat. Strike rate of 165.2 this season. If you can do. This is how Ruturaj Gaikwad got run out. Took the first run really hard. Yes, then he called for the second. The run was on. Yeah, see, he had grounded his bat, but the bat got stuck. And when it got stuck, it was outside the crease, and hence...
26 deliveries since the boundary. And has he broken the shackles there? Yes, he has. What a start to the over.
और अच्छी बात क्या है इनकी बॉलिंग की, इनको पूरा आइडिया है.
स्टंपिंग यहाँ पर बॉल में उछाल भी थी अच्छा. और मुझे लगता है यहाँ पर आउट है. आउट है.
जबरदस्त काम यहाँ पर निखिल नायक द्वारा. और बाचव Rahul Desai walks off for 16 of 21. Really found any kind of rhythm on the leg side. They run through to the boundary. Yes, a lucky break there.
Yes, they need.
थ्रो आने वाला है कि नहीं. अच्छा तो चालाक निकले. अच्छा शॉट यहाँ पर सचिन भोसले का. चौका बटाया. ओवर की समाप्ति 129 पर।
Big responsibility on him. And what's the verdict? He's got him. Straight to long.
This over 24 बनाए यश ने 129 पर 6.
He's been the real star for Ratnagiri Jets. Oh, got him! Very first delivery. Manni Paji, please, over to you.
नहीं, मैं तो पहले ही कह चुका हूँ, ये जेन्युइन लेफ्ट आर्म डिलीवरी थी और हल्का सा उसमें टर्न था. ये देखिए रिस्ट पोजीशन जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ थोड़ी सी साइड पे चली गई और वो आर्म बॉल हो गई. पूरी तरह से चकमा दे दिया वहां पर रामाकृष्णन घोष को. उनको आइडिया ही नहीं था. 7. और you know, every delivery that comes out of his hand, it looks like he's going to get a wicket. It's time. Outside edge will be a lucky boundary.
सही कहा आपने. और आखिरी गेंद बचाव के स्पेल की. इस बार उठा के मारा है गेंद को और ये छक्का. जबरदस्त शॉट यहाँ पर सचिन बोस. Time plays that one officially and straight to deep point.
Without any kind of pressure, but that's also not worked. Another wicket gone.
Ratnagiri Jets been the dominant side in this tournament, and a major reason for that has been their ball for 144 for 9. 144 for 9. Roshan Vaksare, very first delivery, misses it. Is that a run out at the run striker end? Yes. That's the end of the innings. The Ratnagiri Jets bowlers again looking to sneak a run, but Pavle, a fancy batting lineup, has been brought to their knees. Pawan Shah made 32, Shir's side. It's been difficult going for most of their rivals against them in this tournament thus far.
Square leg, two fielders outside. Good start, good bounce in the combo box. Let's welcome Nikhil Chopra.
Thank you. Good.
4 wickets. Goes for the big one, straight up. Who's calling? The field that covers has called, and oh! Got ball, nicely placed. Has it been cut off? No, it's not. Oh, what a shot! Yes, rightly predicted. Something had to happen, and that's going to be a boundary. Comes down the track, pulls it again. This time, a convincing, easy boundary. No chance for the fielders.
Also, they haven't lost a single game. What a shot here. But straight to the fielder at deep point. Mishanded.
Krish Shahapurkar out on 13. 35 for 1. First ball, that is what he is known for. Clears the...
फुल विकेट चटकाएंगे. ये टॉप एज आगे, मुझे लगता है आराम से आउट हो जाएगी यहाँ पर. प्रीतम बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश में.
देखिए कैसा प्रेशर ये बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. रोशन वाक्सरे डॉट बॉल्स डाल रहे थे. आसान गेंदबाज नहीं है वो. प्रीतम पाटिल आउट ऑन 6. 44 for 2 are the Ratnagiri Jets.
सीखना है उनको बहुत. अभी बार बहुत बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर. अजीम काजी रुकते ही नहीं है. पहले गेंद पे शॉट डाले हुए को मैच में लेके आएगी. शॉट, कमाल का शॉट यहाँ पर. आगे डाला, मुझे लगा शॉट डालेंगे पर ये तो हाफ वॉल. हवा में गेंद, मैं बोला था डॉट बॉल आए और विकेट आई यहाँ पर. और पीयूष ने विकेट निकाल के दिए. लॉन्ग ऑन पर.
That is going to happen. The pressure was building. The runs were not coming so easily in the last couple of overs. Dheeraj Patangare going for the big one, and how often have we seen this immediately after the strategic tee? The loss of 3 wickets.
Ball.
This time plays that one. Will that go through? Yes! Much needed boundary after 21 deliveries. I'll be under pressure now. This time guides that one. Very well taken there. Very well taken there by the keeper. Piyush Salvi strikes.
Was doing commentary, he would have been very happy. Opened the face of the bat, and what a catch. Covered so much ground. The bowler can't believe it. Because he was first disappointed and then when he catch, he got excited. Gone for 6, Divyang Hingnekar.
Last delivery here. Qazi. Huge appeal, given!
भाव लगातार बना के रखा है. यहाँ अमूमन फ्रंट फुट पे अंपायर्स आउट देते नहीं हैं. खास तौर से जो एक्सपीरियंस खत्म हो गई है. 31 रन उन्होंने बनाए. 91 for 5.
Through the covers this time around. Back-to-back boundaries. The earlier one.
Good square leg. Opens, takes the outside edge. The third man was called in. Goes in the same region. Oh, luck favoring. Single. Keep him on strike. Comes down the track. In the gap, is it? Oh, perfectly piercing those two fielders. Deep extra cover and long off. He's been given the license. Goes for it. Fielder will be a spectator. In the cow corner region. This time, stand and goes for it again in the air. The fielder's interested. The fielder is right under it and taken. Look at
Slower delivery. Just held it back a shade. And that's why couldn't time it. Great bit of bowling. What a comeback. Look at the emotions after getting hit for goes for 17 of 7, 120 for 6. Moved right across the stumps, goes over deep mid wicket. 6 runs. Bachao in the house. What a fantastic spell. It was in the slot. Second delivery that he was facing. What fantastic timing.
low full toss again. But that's in the gap. Oh, Nikhil, like you.
Deep mid wicket and long on. One hand was good enough. A big fella and packs a powerful punch. That boundary is going to help the.
Goes for the lap and nicely done there. 4 runs. Satyajit Bachao. What a day for him. Tucked away on the leg side and that's it. Ratnagiri Jets kahit चुकीचं करू शकत नाहीत. They can do nothing wrong. Batting, bowling, fielding, all departments. They have dominated. And they have maintained their 100% record.
In the MPL Season 2. 4 out of 4. That's the winning moment for the Jets. Finishes it off in style. Got 4 wickets. Gets the winning runs with a boundary.
Their last matches, they're 8 out of 8. They just haven't lost. And how do you beat a team like wickets and 2 balls to spare? Have a look at the match summary. Puneri Bappa batting first, 144 in the 19.5 overs. Bowled out, 32 for Shah. Gaikwad 29, 4 wickets for Satyajit Bachao. While chasing Ratnagiri Jets, did that with 4 wickets to spare.